There is nothing I love more than a pair of sexy watches. In this video, I'll be seeing if Grand Frank live up to that description. As with all the reviews on this channel, this is no paid, sponsored video. I'll be giving my totally unbiased thoughts on Grand Frank watches to see whether or not they actually make you look good, but also to see if they're worth their money. Grand Frank have sent me out a couple of their watches to take a look at. If you haven't heard of them before, they're a Swedish clothing brand who've also started to do watches. And unlike the majority of these clothing lines who then do a watch brand on the side with incredibly low quality Chinese watches, they seem to be doing things a bit different. Hence the presence of this video on this channel. In this video, I'll be taking a look at the straps, the case, the dial, the style of the watch itself, everything, to deduce whether these are actually worth the price tag. They've sent me two different watches, the white face and blue leather strap Montpellier watch, and the all metal silver Kinsale watch. Both of these are different types of chronographs because that's what they specialize in. Grand Frank make it very clear on their website that they focus on aesthetics when it comes to their watches. They like to make watches that look as stylish and versatile as possible, whilst maintaining a certain level of quality that you don't normally find with most of these fashion brands. And that begins right from the packaging. Both watches arrived in one of these quite heavy presentation boxes. We'll discuss the price later on, but straight off the bat, the packaging is a hell of a lot better than what you get on the majority of fashion watches in this sort of price range. They even say, with love from Sweden on the inside. But in all truth, it seems solid and it seems premium. This could prove to be a genuinely functional storage solution for your watch. Let's begin with the straps first of all. Now I have to admit, when I first took a look on the Grand Frank website at the specs of these watches, I certainly wasn't blown away. Let's take the Montpellier watch for instance. This is only genuine leather, and as many of you will know if you've watched any of my watch videos on this channel before, I have a bit of a traumatic relationship with some genuine leather straps. And similarly with the mesh strap on the other watch, I wasn't really blown away by the pictures. You do often get lots of brands that really skimp in this area of the watch and then just mainly focus on the bulk of the watch in the center. But on this occasion, I was mistaken. It turns out that although in a lot of situations you can judge a watch by the specs online, in this case, especially with the straps, you can't. The leather strap may be genuine leather, but I tell you what, it's got to be the best genuine leather strap I think I've ever felt. The leather is smooth, it's soft, it's supple, and it feels like a high quality product. I'm honestly surprised that this is actually genuine leather because it feels like a much more top end strap. But I guess the credit goes to Grand Frank for managing to source decent leather for the straps and not just skimping it away with a 1p strap like lots of these brands do. You even have the stainless steel butterfly clasp too, and it holds solidly, works nicely. Really pleased with this one. And even the mesh strap as well, it's a lot thicker than I was expecting from looking on the website, and it looks and feels really high quality. It's just got that extra bit of weight to it that you'd want. This one, as you can expect, comes with the super micro adjustable fixing on there too, which I like again. And I guess it means you don't have to go and get any of the links removed or anything like that. So strap wise, well done Grand Frank. Both watches come with a rather deep but heavy, and again, seemingly high quality case. There's a great even amount of polishing that's gone on around here too. Once more, it just has the feeling of something that hasn't just been thrown together in a Chinese sweatshop. These watches have a Japanese Miyota movement. That's kind of a bog standard one for anything, you know, around or below this price. You've got your typical stainless steel case, which feels nice and weighty and high quality. You've got your 5 ATM waterproof, which again is okay. And evidently, because these are mainly dress watch style things, you're not going to get any lume on these. But the key area here really that I want to assess Grand Frank on is, do they live up to their expectation of the watches being as good looking as possible? I'll let you take a look for yourself. In my opinion with these, especially compared to a large portion of incredibly cheaply imported Chinese watches, I think they're doing a pretty good job. I really like the styling of these. I like to wear these with a multitude of different things. They've got some nice bits of detail on the dial, not too much, but just enough. You've also got the nice domed glass on each of their watches too, which I think is a really nice added feature that makes a difference. And I think that, along with the actual designs of the faces themselves, I think this watch looks like an equally as expensive, if not more expensive, regular watch. And I think that the grey one in particular it just has something special about it. At the time of recording this, the Grand Frank watches vary in price from around £140, £150 up to about £180. The key thing for me when it comes to watches and accessories in general is, do I find myself selecting these over other watches that I've got? And the answer is definitely. You've seen some of my watches in past videos. I get sent a bunch of different fashion watches all the time, most of which don't make it on the channel, or at least don't make it on the channel for the right reasons. But I found myself gravitating towards these ones. Now they are a bit on the larger side. You're talking about 43mm for the case diameter, and then the faces themselves are, I think, a fraction under 40. But there are loads of fashion watches out there that are pushing 45mm, so I still think this isn't a particularly bad size. But maybe if you're someone who's got really thin wrists, these could look pretty big. But as a whole, if you're someone with average size wrists or even above, these are going to look awesome. I found myself wearing the silver one in particular constantly. I just like the way that it looks. And it's not just the looks, because it has that base level of quality that loads of the fashion watch brands just don't have. Now obviously, there are other brands out there, as I'm sure loads of people will bombard in the comments, the watch snobs. You can get mechanical watches with automatic movements, you know, at lower prices than this. But really, I don't think with these they're trying to compete with that. This brand is trying to really compete with the likes of movement watches, just trying to make watches that look good, and in that respect, I think that these win out. These are really high quality fashion watches. I've just checked on the Grand Frank website as well. They come with a 3-year warranty, and I could definitely see myself getting 3 years out of these with regular use. But yeah, as a whole, I've been really impressed, and it's certainly a brand that I'd recommend going to if you're looking at different types of fashion watch brands. This is definitely a better alternative than a lot of those. So thanks to Grand Frank for sending me these watches out. I really appreciate it, and really thanks for making an effort and making these watches decent, because I'm sick to death of seeing tons and tons of watches that look identical, that are made for 2 pence and sold for an extortionate amount. These seem more like the real deal, and they work out as a lot better value for money than those other alternatives. Hopefully you found this video useful. This has been quite a positive review really for my channel. I'll leave a link to Grand Frank in the description below so you can have a look at some of their watches. They don't have a huge range. They've got quite a lot that look very similar to each other, but I really think there's something in there for most guys. If you found this video useful, make sure you press the like button, and if you want to see similar videos just like this one on what to wear and how to style your hair, then make sure you press subscribe too, and I'll see you on the next one.